You guys know that there's different ways or different methods to problems in maths, right? So we also have that sort of situation here. We were able to find, let's just focus on S3. Ne? We're able to find S3 manually by just literally adding the first three terms, right? So let us write manually. We found S3 manually or from first principles. 2 plus 6 plus 18, 26. Okay, we're good. Now, let us find S3 using a formula. There's three ways in which we could do this, but let us do the first two ways. I'm going to come to the third one just now. The formula. Now, what is the formula for this? So now, how to find the sum of geometric terms. You use this formula. There's two of them actually. There is this one goes Sn equal to A um, R to the power n minus 1 all over r minus 1. Okay, that is the first one. This one you use when your constant ratio is greater than 1. Okay, in this case our constant ratio is 3. We're multiplying 3, so therefore like we're going to use the first one. However, if your ratio constant ratio is less than 1, you use this one. Sn is equal to A 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r. Now, someone is busy writing the formulae. Do not write them down because I told you the videos are recorded. I can see you from this distance. Sharp. So yeah, you can use either one of them. You will memorize them at the end of the session. It's not a problem. You don't have to memorize them now. All right. So yeah, sharp. Let's see if these formulae work. They both work, but you just have to follow this. If the r is greater than 1, you use the first one. If r greater than 2, you use the second one. Now, this represents T1, as you can imagine, the first term, and then R represents the constant ratio. Okay? Sharp, sharp. Let us see if this thing works. Let us find S3. We substitute. A is the first term. First term is 2. You guys know that. That is 2, open bracket. What is our R? Our R is the constant ratio. That is 3. Okay, what is n? N is 3. Then it's just sum of the first three terms, so that's 3 minus 1. It's just a coincidence that we also have a 3 there. This 3 is the ratio. If it was a 5, we put a 5. Then over 3 minus 1. Can you guys punch? Please learn how to punch this into a calculator and get the same answer of 26. Please, please, please. You need to learn how to punch. Please do me a favor and punch this. Tell me what the answer is. You've got to find it yourself. Yes. Can you guys tell me what the answer is? Speak up. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid. If you're shy here, then it's tough, eh? Shy even though nobody sees your face. It's tough, eh? You need to work on your confidence. You need to own the world. You understand? You need to see yourself as a king or queen. Yes, 26, proper stuff, 26. So it matches what we got manually. So you guys see that the formula works. Let's also prove to you that the second formula works, but please follow this thingy here. When the r is greater than 1, you use the first one and so on. So let's see if it works. Can you guys do the calculation for me and tell me if it gives us 26? Waiting, waiting, waiting. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Tick tock, tick tock. Someone woke up in the morning and was like, oh, TikTok. I could actually make an app and then name it TikTok. Oh my God. And then it happened. I remember when TikTok was still like new in the USA. Some, I don't know if it was politicians or what. It was, how long ago was it? I think it was like 5 years ago. I remember watching this YouTube video. Like some politicians were, or I don't know if some lawmakers, whatever in the US, were like, no, TikTok can't continue operating in the United States because it invades people's privacy, blah blah blah. But people are like, nah, Facebook also must. We've got Facebook in China, whatever, whatever. So what's wrong with that? Because TikTok is a Chinese company. So they tried, they fought, and then they lost the battle. I think the reason why they fought was because they saw when they looked into the future, like they projected, they saw that TikTok was gonna be massive, massive. So they were trying to fight against it, and then they failed. So that's why TikTok is this big today. I never understood as like TikTok. See people dancing there, doing some funny dance. I'm like, what is this? And now it's just, you know. You guys get 26, yeah? Proper stuff. All of us are happy. So now we know how to calculate or find a sum of an arithmetic of a geometric series manually and using the formula. Now there's the last way I want to show you, and that is what we call sigma notation. Okay, let's pause this let's stop this video and make its own video for sigma.